Okay, man. Shit, fuck. Yeah. All right. Damn. Okay. Labor took its toll on me. Now my body aches constantly. I do this back pain. Took some risk, got herniated disc along my little old backbone. I do this back pain. Back pain mode. Hurts me to the bone, little baby. Got me working with a cane. It hurts so bad, I feel I go insane. Surgery won't fix the pain. They shoot morphine into my veins to control this back pain. Doctor prescribes pain meds. I'm always lying in bed doing this back pain. Back pain moan. Hurts me to the bone, little baby. Got me working with a cane. It hurts so bad, I feel I go insane. Hurts me to the bone, little baby. Got me working with a cane. It hurts so bad, I feel I go insane. If you never done them, I hope you never do. It'll give you the constant blues. I pray for this pain to go away. It's no use anyway, I can't rid this back pain. Back pain bone. Hurts me to the bone, little baby. Got me working with a cane. It hurts so bad, I feel I go insane. Awesome, man. Thank you.